Hello kids, let's learn some 2D shapes. This is black color. It is pie. It is L shape. It is multiplication symbol. It is heart. It is teardrop. It is pentagon. Now let us know about the color name. These are our colors. It is pink color. It is yellow color. It is blue color. It is red color. It is orange color. It is green color. Now let us color the shape. It is pink color. It is pie. It is yellow color. It is L shape. It is green color. It is multiplication symbol. It is red color. It is heart. It is blue color. It is teardrop. It is orange color. It is pentagon. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. This is pie, pink color, L shape, yellow color, multiplication symbol, green color, heart, red color, teardrop, blue color, pentagon, orange color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.